Hello, beautyloving unicorns, and welcome back to my channel and this playtime with Devinah Cosmetics. I did this look right here. I did the eyes and the highlighter because I had a bunch of new eyeshadows from Devinah and I just literally sat down and picked the colors that I wanted to pick. I have done a swatch video of the two newest releases by Devinah, and if you want to see that, you can always check up here, and I will also in that video include some thoughts on those two collections, even though I have only used them twice when filming this video. I did film that video just before this, so that's why I'm saying that. I'm being weird. But if you want to see some thoughts on the two new collections and see swatches, like I said, that's up here. And in this video we are gonna do this eye look right here, and yeah, let's just get into it. Okay, we're gonna have a little Devinah time. I have some of my Devinahs right here. I am gonna use this mustardy one that is called Courtney, first in the crease, as a started up shade, and we can get going with the look. After that shade, I'm going in with this green one that is called Veridian, and I am going to use that in my crease. Never used this green one because it's one of the new ones that I've bought, but this one I like. This is really nice. So that is the green crease that I have right now. I might darken this up a bit, but at first I want to use this one right here. This is this green one that is called just a Dandelion. It's absolutely not the green that goes with this look, but when have I ever cared about that? Not today, either. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna go in with my finger. Since I'm not doing like a cut crease, I'm just getting it on my lid. I think it's gonna be easiest if I just go in with my finger. Oh, it is such a beautiful shade though. I'm gonna do a bit of my crease as well, as you can see, because I don't care about shimmers in my crease. I just want things to look pretty. I'm literally just blending these together. I'm gonna use this one that's called Gloom. It is a black, but I think it's actually more of a satiny shade. But I'm just gonna get some, ooh, that's nice, in my outer corners to make this more, well, gloomy. I'm gonna use one of these new Rainbow Brights under my eyes, and I'm gonna use this one that's a bit green, and it is called Skydancer. So I'm gonna use that with a pencil brush under my eyes. Just gonna have a little bit of this white eyeliner on my waterline. There we go. I'm gonna put some mascara, some liner, and some lashes on, and I'll be right back and we can do the inner corners because I have something new I want to try. Okay, so that is the look right now. I want to use one of these highlighters. I just got this one. This is Cosma. Cosma. Yeah, I just bought this one, and it is supposedly a green one with a green shift, so naturally I am like dying to try it. So where is my pencil brush? Oh, here it is. So I want to use this one in my inner corners because I think I'm gonna really like this one. Oh, that is pretty. I can't help like going all over the place when I do things like this. I know I should be just in the inner corners, but I always like take it too far. I just really love highlighters in my inner corners too much. That is very pretty, and I am very excited about that. Maybe I should use a bit more and use some setting spray because I love that. One second. To see if I can really make that green like extremely pop. Oh, okay. Well, this was worth it. That is so pretty. So that is so pretty. I'm feeling like a little... I feel like that, you know, that slime monster from Ghostbusters? Like a glammed up version. You know Slimer? I'm Slimerina. Did I just go there? I did. So this is Ozma. This is a highlighter that I'm actually going to use on my cheeks because I didn't have a highlighter on. Can't speak. And I like this one. It is like an icy pink one. It's really, really pretty. This is also very pretty to take down all the way to your like apples because it is so pink and I love a good pink highlighter. And yeah, that's the finished look. That is the look that I did using my new things from Devinah. Let me know what you think about the look. Let me know if there's any other brands you would like to see me play with. Except of course Sydney Grace, that is coming. I want to do something special. I'm planning in my head. I mean, I have so many things I want to film, so many ideas. So little time, but it's coming. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for commenting and liking my videos. I always appreciate reading and answering your comments. It's like the best time I have during the day. And if you'd like to see more videos from me, you can always subscribe. The button is down below. I'd love to have you. I do upload quite a lot of videos and I will see you in my next one. Bye!